Good morning, students. We welcoming in our online session MVM College of Commerce, Management and IT, Rajkot. Lecture number 5, and it is the last lecture of matrix. BBSM 2, subject Advanced Techniques of Business Mathematics. Subject code is 19 BBA 203. Keep in mind subject code, students. Unit number 2, matrix algebra. In this chapter, we cover this point, definitions and types of matrix. It's a theory questions. Lecture number 1, matrix operations. It's a lecture number 2, addition, subtractions and multiplication, etc. Transpose and adjoint of matrix. It's lecture number 3, and inverse. It's lecture number 4. And here the last lecture, linear equations using the inverse matrix, is lecture number 5. So in this chapter the total 5 lectures are required, and examples you have the practice of these types of questions regularly. I was given in the lecture number 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So it's a method number 9. Solve equation by matrix method. Here the one question is taken from Saurashtra University, October 2004. First you note down the question. 3x plus 5y plus 6z is equal to 4. X plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 2. 2x plus 4y plus 5z is equal to 3. There are the different 3 equations are given. When the 3 equations are given, then first you write the coefficient of the x, y, z. So 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4 and 5. Then you write x, y and z, and equal, you write the 4, 2, 3 for this way. 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 5. It's a coefficient of the equation 1, 2 and 3. Then you write x, y, z and 4, 2, 3. This value we transfer opposite side. It's a inverse. Opposite side જાય તો શું થઈ જશે? Inverse. So here you write x, y, z is equal to 4, 2, 3 into 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 5, and it's a inverse. Opposite side જાય એટલે શું થઈ જશે? Inverse. 4, 2, 3 અને inverse થઈ જશે opposite side. I think it is a clear. હવે અહીંથી તમને આવડે જ છે આનું ઇન્વર્સ ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું, અને ઇન્વર્સ ફાઇન્ડ થઈ જાય પછી એ આની સાથે શું કરશે? મલ્ટીપ્લાય. તો સો ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ વી ફાઇન્ડ ધ ઇન્વર્સ ઓફ ધીસ વેલ્યુ. તો ઇન્વર્સ ફાઇન્ડ કરવા માટેનું પહેલું સ્ટેપ, ડિટર્મિનેટ એ ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું. સપોઝ આપણે એને એ નામ આપી દઈએ તો 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3 2, 4, 5. All of you know 3 into bracket. 5 2s are 10, minus 4 3s are 12. Then minus 5, 5 1s are 5, minus 3 2s are 6. Then plus 6, bracket में 4 1s are 4, minus 2 2s are 4. Then after 3 into bracket, minus 2, minus 1 and 0. Very next step is minus 6 plus 5 plus 0. And very next step is minus 1. Minus 6 plus 5, so you get it, the answer is minus 1. After that, second step is adjoint A. In the adjoint A, first you write the cofactor. Cofactor of this value is 2, 3, 4, 5, then minus 1, 3, 2, 5. Then 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 2, 4. Then here the minus 5, 6, 4, 5. Then plus 3, 6, 2, 5. Then minus 3, 5, 2, 4. Then plus 5, 6, 2, 3. Very carefully you write this cofactor. 3, 6, 1, 3. Then plus 3, 5, 1, 2. After that, all of you know, find this value. 5 2s are 10, minus 4 3s are 12. So 10 minus 12, minus 2. Then 5 1s are 5, minus 2 3s are 6. So 5 minus 6, minus 1 and minus 1. So minus minus plus 1. 4 1s are 4, minus 4. So 0. Then 5 5s are 25, minus 6 4s are 24. So 25 minus 24, 1, and this is minus 1. Then 5 3s are 15, minus 12. 15 minus 12, 3. 4 3s are 12, minus 10, 2. And here the minus 2. 5 3s are 15, minus 6 2s are 12. So you get it, the 3. Then 3 3s are 9, minus 6, 3, but minus 3. Then 3 2s are 6, minus 5 1s are 5. To get it, the answer of 1. After this step, you write the step is taking transpose. And it is called for adjoint A. minus 2 minus 2, but then 1 0. First row you write in the first column, second row you write in the second column, and 3 minus 3 and 1, it's a adjoint A. Then after, our formula is A inverse is equal to adjoint A upon determinant A. Determinant A is minus 1. So here 1 upon minus 1 into bracket 2 minus 1 and 3, 1, 3 and minus 3, then 0, minus 2 and 1. It's our inverse answer. After that, we write x, y, z is equal to 4, 2, 3, then 1 upon minus 1, and here the adjoint A means 2 minus 1, 3, 1, 3, minus 3, then 0, minus 2 and 1. This value we write here the first. So very next step is multiply these both value. After that, we multiply these both value. So 1 upon minus 1, first column we will multiply first row. So 4 to the 8 minus 2 plus 9. Now here your answer is like that: x, y, z is equal to 1 upon minus 1. Then you write adjoint A is minus 2, minus 1 and 3. Then 1, 3 and minus 3. Then 0, minus 2 and 1. And the multiply of this value for 4, 2, 3. આ સ્ટેપ આગળ પાછળ લખાઈ ગયું હતું, ફરીથી એકવાર ધ્યાનથી જુઓ. પહેલાં સ્ટેપ લખવાનું તમારે એડજોઇન્ટ એ વાળો આન્સર, અને પછી તમારે લખવાનું છે 4, 2, 3. તો તમે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરી શકશો. 1 upon minus 1 ભાઈ મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરો તો ફર્સ્ટ રો મલ્ટીપ્લાય ધ ફર્સ્ટ કોલમ. અને અહીંયા એક નિશાનીની પણ ભૂલ હતી, -2 આવશે અહીંયા. આઈ થિંક ઉપરના સ્ટેપમાં ક્યાંક આગળ મિસ્ટેક છે, -2 આવશે. ઓકે, નેક્સ્ટ સ્ટેપ. ફર્સ્ટ રો મલ્ટીપ્લાય ફર્સ્ટ કોલમ, સો -8 -2 plus 9. Second row first column, so 4 1s are 4, 3 2s are 6, minus 9. Then 0 into 4 0, minus 2 into 2 એટલે minus 4, 1 3s are 3. આ આન્સર આવશે. Then after 1 upon minus 1, 8 minus 2, minus 10 plus 9, so minus 1. 10 minus 9, 1. Here minus 1. Okay. Then next step, answer will be change. minus 1 થી બધાને ડિવાઈડ કરો તો આન્સર થઈ જશે 1 minus 1 અને 1. આ તમારો આન્સર થઈ જશે. સો x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1, z is equal to 1. Okay. So you write the answer is x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1 and z is equal to 1. And you verify. Suppose one equation is 2x, what x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 2. Just you apply the formula in these equations. So 2 is equal to 2. It means your answer is right. You ઇન્ડિવિજ્યુઅલ ચેક તમે પોતે જાતે જ ચેક કરી શકશો કે તમારો આન્સર સાચો છે કે ખોટો છે. ઓકે. સો ધ નેક્સ્ટ વન ઇઝ હોમવર્ક. ઇલિસ્ટ્રેશન નંબર 33, 34 and 35. And exercise question number 36, 37, 51, 28 and 35. You calculate and here the chapter is over. Matrix algebra આ ચેપ્ટરમાં આટલું જ કરવાનું છે જેટલા સમ્સ મેં તમને કરાવ્યા છે. અને all the methods we are cover. Total 9 method we cover in this chapter. I hope you easily understood and you practice for these sums also. Okay. Thank you. In the next lecture we start our third unit. Thank you very much.